Welcome to the Valley's Journey.
Yeah.
What up, TVJ squad?
What it do? What it do?
Ow!
Yeah, y'all, we having a lunch date. And today we have, we having crab cakes and we're having seafood hush puppies, y'all. Seafood hush puppies. Yeah. We got a tropical green tea. We're doing green tea, tropical green tea today, y'all. And for sauces, what we working with sauces, baby?
We have yum yum sauce.
Yum yum sauce. And we have cocktail sauce, y'all.
And before we get started into our prayer, make sure you like,
comment,
and subscribe.
Subscribe. Bang! Yeah. But before we get started, let's give praise to who made it all possible. Thank you for food, blessing, for continuous blessing. Thank you for your grace. Thank you for looking over us.
Amen.
All right. So we about to get it.
What's up, TVJ
What's
squad?
up, squad? What's going on, squad?
Here, baby, you can get you some.
Hope y'all having a blessed day today.
Oh, yeah.
And taking the lemons and making lemonade.
Ow!
Take the bitter with the sweet, y'all. And make your own drink. Put your own twist to it. Make your own drink. Don't let the negativity trump on the positivity.
Y'all see that? I'll move my stuff over so y'all can see me eat.
I'm telling you, baby, don't let the negativity trump on the positivity.
Don't do it.
Mind over matter, y'all.
6. Not 1.
Let me show. I got
Not 2.
Man, I want to lift it up.
I would say put it on the spatula then and show them.
Put it on the spatula. Put this on a spatula, y'all.
Let y'all know what we eating today. Ow!
Y'all see that? Crab cake, y'all.
Yeah. 6 crab cakes. That's what we having today for lunch.
Yeah. Man.
Thank you for the continuous support.
We thank y'all.
Thank you, baby. We appreciate you. Pass me some of that. Thank you.
Truly appreciate y'all.
Oh, yeah.
We just gonna keep bringing it. We told y'all. Check the resume.
Check it.
Check the resume, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
It's good. Tastes like you put some lemon on it.
I didn't squeeze no lemon on yours,
You
baby.
didn't?
Just mine. Just mine. I love seafood with lemon on it. It just does something to it. Give it that little tart but good taste to it. Ooh, these crab cakes good.
For you guys who are seafood lovers out there, what's your favorite brand for crab cakes? Just asking because I might want to switch up and try something else out, y'all.
My husband actually made some crab cakes before from scratch.
And we use that Planko. These are Planko crumbs. It's good, y'all.
Oh, real good. That's so good. Oh, yeah.
But we just having a quick midday lunch, y'all. And then jump right back on the grind, y'all.
All my life.
We in between grinding, y'all.
What we do? All our life.
Grinding all our life. Work,
Sacrifice, also pay the price.
Hey.
What y'all know about that Nipsey?
What y'all know about that Nipsey? Say hustle, pay the price.
Yes, it does. That's what we do over here at the Valley's Journey. We're going to keep bringing it to you.
I don't know nothing else, y'all. Hustle, pay the price.
Y'all help us get to these 100 subscribers by March 31st. Come on now. I know you can do it.
100.
We see you watching.
100.
Yeah, we see you watching. We still having that same issue too, you guys, with the notification.
I don't know what's going on with that, y'all.
But I can tell y'all loyal, because you still coming through.
Still coming through.
We appreciate you. Oh, yeah.
So I don't know what the deal is, y'all. Or who else is experiencing problems like we are with the notification bell and...
Well, we got one YouTuber that one of our followers stated that they're receiving the same thing. Yeah. I don't know what's going on. YouTube has not contacted us back. I said, but that's okay, baby. One monkey not gonna stop my show.
That's for sure.
Ow!
That's for sure. So moving right along.
Moving right along.
Which one you like better, the cocktail sauce or the... Y'all know about that yum yum sauce? Do y'all know about that yum yum sauce?
My husband turned me on to it. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Y'all. This yum yum sauce is good literally on every seafood. For real.
Say for real, for real.
I actually like both of them. Yum yum have more like a sweeter taste versus the cocktail sauce. But I like cocktail sauce too. It is good.
Yeah, I think I like the yum yum better with the crab cake. Yum yum is the one. It is the one.
Well, baby, I sure appreciate this lunch date, baby.
Anytime, anytime. As soon as we get through, y'all, we going back to work. Y'all believe that? We going back to work, y'all.
Yep. Grind don't stop. Let's turn this camera on for the squad. Let them see what we do at lunchtime.
Right, right. So all we did is turn the camera on, y'all.
That's it. This was our lunch for today. Something light, not too heavy. These some huge crab cakes.
Yeah, they're nice size.
They're a nice size. And look at all that crab on the inside. I take that allergy pill today.
Yeah. TVJ squad.
Squad. Where my fist at?
So where them fists at, y'all?
Where my fist at? If you're new to our channel, you don't know about putting your fist in the comments. If you represent the TVJ squad, put your fist in the comments.
Put them up, put them up. Say, I can't see ya.
Baby. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we turn these up.
Man.
We were hungry.
It was right on time.
Yeah, it was. Perfect. I didn't even give y'all a bite today. There you go. Yeah, bite.
Bite.
Bite from TVJ Squad. Yeah, baby, have me another hush puppy. Thank you. I forgot we had hush puppies.
What? So I ain't forgot. I ain't forgot.
It's so good.
Man, it's good, y'all. We definitely some seafood lovers, y'all.
Can't you tell?
Man, look, we some seafood lovers, y'all.
We eat all kind. Well, I shouldn't say all kind of seafood. Orange roughy.
Yeah, we don't do that. Squid and all that. Octopus.
No, I tried it. I didn't like it. What's your favorite seafood?
Comment below, y'all. Let us know.
I bet y'all don't know what our favorite seafood is.
I bet they do. You said our favorite?
Our favorite. Let me see. Y'all let us know. What's our favorite seafood?
What y'all think? What do y'all think?
I'm about to get one of these.
Yeah, I'm about to grab one too. I'm about to grab it by the hand. This good, y'all. These off the chain. These off the chain.
What y'all have for lunch today?
Yeah, y'all share below. What did y'all have? Did y'all meet up with the significant other? Chop it over quick lunch in between grind? in between the grind, y'all. How y'all day going?
Who made you mad at work today? Share it with me.
What's that song with Ludacris, y'all? I feel like slapping somebody today.
Oh my goodness. Huh. Trust me, I know. Working that corporate world, I know. Thank goodness I work from home though, so I don't have to deal with that. I used to. Oh yeah. It's so good. Y'all can tell I'm eating fast. I'm doing more eating than talking today.
Yeah. It's good.
This is very good. Oh yeah.
Yeah, y'all might feel like slapping somebody today, but don't do it. Say, don't do it.
Please don't do it.
Don't do it.
All my life I had to fight. Y'all know that's my favorite movie. Color Purple. Don't do it, Miss Celia.
Man. Look at him.
That was good to you, baby.
What?
Baby sopping it up, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that. He's sopping it up. Sopping it up, baby.
Baby. It's on point.
That's some more drink right there.
Okay. Let me put me a little lemon juice.
Oh,
on
wait
that
a minute,
thing.
y'all. You can
Get a
squirt
little-
your wire.
get a little lemon juice on that thing.
What?
Well, get ready to wrap this thing up, y'all, and get back to work. And I hope y'all have a blessed rest of the day. But don't forget to like,
Comment.
and subscribe. And let's get to that 100.
100.
Until next time, y'all. Y'all be safe. Y'all be blessed. Peace.